Talaga nasa labas yung liig niya. Very unique. Very nice.
Oh, thank you.
Very pretty. So ito yung RV nila guys. Big up yan. Tapos nakakabit yung ano nila, yung trailer nila. Tapos yan lang sila, oh. Yan, tatlo sila naka-transport. So these guys are well cared talaga habang nagbabiyahe. Very beautiful. Kaya sabi ko, nanghingi ko ng permiso kung hindi akong kumain ng picture. Tapos nag-allow naman, bata yung ano, parang mag-asawa, kapatid. Mga bata pa sila. Tapos mapait naman, okay lang daw kukuha ko ng picture. These horses are well cared. Baka pang ano ito, pang tawag ito, equestrian. Ang gaganda nila. Saan kaya sila ita-transport? Baka may competition dito sila. Look at this, very pretty. Very pretty horses. Yan sila yung tatlo. Beautiful one. Okay guys, see you.